Good morning, guys. This is cantaloupe growing in Las Vegas. This one has a crack already, and there's ants on it, so it's time to cut it off. Let's cut it. Beautiful. This is growing in Las Vegas. Alright guys, thanks for watching.